Hi, this side is Amit Kumar from Bihar, India. I'm an English learner, just like you. Currently, I'm learning and improving English day by day. So, whatever I learn, I just share on my channel. So, if you want to learn and grow with me, then you can subscribe to my channel. Recently, recently I've realized uh, one missing point, but that is important, which are pronunciation and intonation. These are very missing that every English learner ignore this or miss this aspect of English. But now I have realized, so I have decided to learn these two aspects in English. That's why I I'm going to learn. I'm going to learn a pronunciation for a month, and when I will when I'll we will learn pronunciation, then I will start learning the intonation and word stress, which are very important in English, because these are the thing which make English natural, which make English sensible, which produce the meaning of the words and sentence. Okay, that's why I have decided to learn this thing. Today in this video, I'm going to share a sound because this morning I have learned this sound and thought to share on my channel. Maybe you know this sound, but in case you don't know, then learn this in video. A sound, uh, uh. To say this sound, first drop your jaw a little bit like this, and then put your tongue behind of your bottom of teeth, like, and now produce the sound. Uh, 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 uh. Now, now try to say the sounds in two way. The first, try to say in unstressed version without stressing the sound, like uh, 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 uh. Now, try to say this sound in a stressed version, like uh, 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 uh. Now, try to say this sound so many times, more than 100 times, to get comfortable with these sounds. Okay, and in the next video, uh, we are going to learn to say these sounds with consonant sounds, like k, k, in this way. So if you want to get the video early, then subscribe to this channels, so that when I upload the video, you can get this as soon as possible.